I'm Pooja from POSBean Retail Software. I'm here to tell about how to change the wholesale price and how to convert the retail to wholesale price. So first we have to go to admin. Password, then company, and then login. I'm opening the two software here. I'm opening the billing also. First provide the user ID, password, and then login. So first go to admin. Go to build, material master, product creation. Then go to tools, mandatory settings. Here you can see that there is a wholesale price. If you disable this and give update, and it will ask, are you sure to update? Click on to yes and give cancel. So next go to file, new. Here you can't see the wholesale price. So to display the wholesale price there, then go to tools, mandatory settings, and again wholesale price you have to enable this and click on to update and click on to yes and give cancel here. And next go to file, new, and go to mapping. Here you can see wholesales, and next you have to select the not mapping. Once you check that it should be in not mapping, so it is there, and here you can see the wholesale price. So next you have to provide the product. And category, units, and MRP rate, and cost price. And next is the wholesale price. It should be less than the MRP and cost price. And give control. It is asking for the supplier. So go to supplier and you can select any supplier and give control S. Click on to S. So it has been updated. And next you have to untick the mark here, and if you provide the refresh, here you can see that the product has been created. And next go to tools and today price. Give control F. You can get the search option here. And if you provide the item and give find and give search, here you can see whatever I have given the price and product detail, that will be displayed here. And next you have to provide the new cost price, new sales price, and new MRP, new wholesale. I can provide the same new cost price and sales price also. it will show updated successfully, and click on to OK. And next you have to go to point of sale. You provide the refresh. And here you have to provide the item. So here you can see that the wholesale has been declared. So go to counter POS settings. So in general settings, you can see that the wholesale settings in the last. If you click on to no and give apply, and it will ask to update the settings, click on to yes. Okay. So it has been cleared here. You can see the wholesale. Again, if you want to see the same wholesale price, then go to counter and give POS settings. And click on to yes here and give apply. And yes. And click on to OK. And give cancel. Here you can see. And next click on to this and give retail to wholesale price and click on to yes. And here you can see the sales price. Thank you.